Kagaz nahin dikhayenge. That was the tone and tenor of the central government and the state government of Gujarat in the Bilkis Bano case when the Supreme Court asked Gujarat to place on record documents concerning the remission granted to 11 convicts sentenced to life imprisonment in the Bilkis Bano gang rape case. The court was informed by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju that the file is ready, but both governments wished to file applications seeking a review of the order that had directed the state and the centre to be ready with the files. The bench was visibly upset with this and observed this was contempt of court. Justice K.M. Joseph said, and I quote, "Are you saying the state government has immunity from producing the documents in court? Documents have been shown to us in even graver matters of national concern. If you cannot show reasons, we will draw our own conclusions about your reasons. We will say your reasons do not hold water. You are in contempt. What is the reason for not showing them in the court? Why are you shying away?" What upset the court is not just the fact that the state and centre outright refused to show the files, but also that this refusal comes after days of dilly-dallying. Initially in the hearing, Mr. Raju, the ASG, sought an adjournment, citing a delay in getting the records translated from Gujarati. He also said pleadings were still incomplete in the case, and now finally this refusal to show the files. This refusal prompted the court to make even more strict remarks. The bench observed that the way the offence was committed was horrendous and implied that the convicts enjoyed leniency earlier too, as they were released on parole of over 1,000 days. The court also warned the state to not treat the Bilkis Bano gang rape and the murder case dating back to the Gujarat riots as a standard murder case. The bench observed that Bilkis Bano was pregnant when she was gang raped, and it cannot be compared with the standard Section 302 murder case. The bench said, "Will you compare oranges and apples? Will you compare the murder of a single person with the murder of more than 10 people? Just like you cannot compare apples with oranges, a massacre cannot be compared with a single murder." The trial had to be shifted to another state. Court continued with their display of anger and stated, "Today it is this lady, tomorrow it could be someone else. What happens to my brothers and sisters is definitely of great concern. There must be objective standards." At the end of the hearing, the ASG was not very firm with his reply on whether he would file the review petition or not. But the court was firm in the message it sent out to the two respondents: show us the papers or suffer contempt of court. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comment section, and for more news updates, subscribe to India Today.